We wanted to give you guys a quick update. And so now we are planning our next big adventure, which is almost nerve-wracking to say it because it's gonna make it more real.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex and this is Liz, and if you're new here, our channel focuses on outdoor adventure-based travel, and we spent about 7 months traveling around the world until March when we had to return like many other full-time travelers due to COVID-19.
And we wanted to give you guys a quick update about some adventures we've had and some upcoming adventures. After quarantining in Arizona at my cousin's for about a month, and dealing with an unexpected souvenir,
AKA a parasite known as Blastocystis hominis.
It's quite common in travelers, we've been told. We went to my sister's in Idaho and spent a lot of quality time with our 4 wild, albeit adorable nephews. While completing a documentary that we had filmed when we were in Africa.
You ready? Yeah.
To see him sad. Is that a pretty baby?
What is bed sledding?
You slide downstairs on a bed.
Okay.
But make sure that it's small if you try this.
What happens if it's not small?
Then you'll probably just fly off while you're going down, or it'll just not move.
Okay.
Bed sledding! Whoa! I got the power!
Can't even eat my food right now. Uh-oh. I don't have you. You're gonna fall.
Are you Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Spider-Man your favorite?
Yeah.
So what are you doing, buddy?
I'm calling a poop.
Are you helping Auntie Liz make Alex a happy birthday cake?
Yeah! Poop.
He's so cute. You're adorable.
During that time, we had a few adventures like these ones.
Hi everyone! This is my sister Sarah. You can see the resemblance. And we are about to go do ATV.
adventure.
Yeah, so what happens there?
We have a flat tire.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head says, get out and play, 'cause you never feel this way. It's my lucky day, it's my lucky day. It's my lucky day, my lucky day. Don't need a pot of gold, a rabbit's foot or to be told. It's my lucky day, it's my lucky day.
The wind washed it out, and the wind of the water.
We also took a couple of side trips. We went to Yellowstone and the Tetons, and we actually posted some videos on that. So we'll link them down below if you haven't seen them yet.
Then we took a trip to Big Cottonwood Canyon in Utah to ease ourselves back into some activities that we had done before our around the world trip.
We are spending the next 3.5 days, I don't know why I did 4, 3.5 days, exploring this area, rock climbing and peak bagging.
Yeah, it's funny when you haven't like rock climbed in a while. It's all about learning to trust your gear and yourself.
We're about to do the Mount Raymond hike, and I think we're gonna add on Gobbler's Knob. Looks like it's on the way. Let's see how it goes.
You're gonna have to come up and see.
What? Seriously?
Fourth false summit.
This peak sucks, guys. Alright, we are at the top now. The actual top. This one was, as Alex says, this mountain was a jerk.
Like 5 false summits or something like that.
Now we did 3 peaks, guys.
And so now we are planning our next big adventure, which is almost nerve-wracking to say it because it's gonna make it more real. But we are planning on bike packing 1,000 miles of the Great Divide Trail. And we don't bike pack. So this is brand new to us. We have been planning and researching like crazy, trying to get prepared for this. Honestly, we might be a little bit crazy because like this is a intense trail, but we are really excited. We like to collect new outdoor adventure-based activities, and so we've been wanting to do this for a while. We actually had planned after our full around the world trip to do this potentially in the US, so it seems fitting to do it now. So we are really excited for this next challenge and adventure.
In the meantime, however, we have loads of content from our around the world trip that we still haven't put out there yet, that we still haven't even completed the videos for. But next up is our Vietnam series, which we're excited about because we had a lot of fun and we packed a lot into the time that we were there.
So we are going to be planning to have those released while we're doing our bike packing trip. So we're scheduling them for Tuesdays and Fridays. Because we won't probably have access to internet. Actually, we don't really know what it's going to be like out there, but we probably won't be able to make our usual notifications on social media. So if you're not already, make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell turned on so you can get a little notification when those go live. We have lots of outdoor adventures planned here in the United States this summer. So while having to end our around the world trip early was very hard on us emotionally, this is something we had planned for 5+ years. We are trying to make the most of it, and we're really excited for our outdoor adventures we have planned here in the US. We're also really thankful that we have our health and that we've had family that we've been able to stay with and really spend quality time with that we probably never would have been able to spend this much time with our family before. So we're really thankful for that. We hope all of you guys are staying really safe and having some fun outdoor adventures this summer as well.
We'll see you in our Vietnam series coming up next.
Now we did 3 peaks, guys. Oh, Alex is dying.
I gotta sit down. Okay.
Oh, he liked you.
You can get away from that.
Mom, is this what you're supposed to do?
Oh!